Good morning student, myself Gadak sir from Shram Shakti Vidyaniketan, Mardas. Okay, friends, we are learning math subject for the 7th standard. So into the our math subject we have learned from the chapter number 5, that is operation on fractional number. We have seen some topics from the chapter operations on rational number. So basically we have seen 4 operations on rational number: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of the rational numbers. Okay. After that we have figured out the number in between the given rational number. All of you remember that how to find the number in between the given rational numbers. Okay. Then we have solved also exercise related to that. Then we have also seen one more topic, that is decimal form of the rational number. So how to write the given rational number into decimal form, that also we have seen. Okay. Now the last point from the chapter number 5, that is operation on rational numbers, is that is nothing but the simplifying an expression. And that topic we are going to see into the today's lecture. Okay. So simplifying an expression. First one, what do you understand by the word simplifying? Simplifying means you have to sort out or you have to solve the given expression. Now the expression means what? Expression means what? If suppose given into the problem there is only one addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. Okay, that means only one is there, addition or subtraction or division or multiplication. But instead of giving only addition or only division or only multiplication, if they give us the problem which contain addition also, subtraction also, multiplication also or division also, or if the problem contain addition and multiplication, subtraction and division, subtraction and addition, or addition and multiplication, like that, that means more than one, if there are more than one operations are there for the given number, that is addition or subtraction or multiplication, then that is called as expression. Okay, that means if in the problem more than one operation is there, then that operations or that problem is called as expression. Now into the today's lecture we have to see how to sort out or how to simplify the given expression. Okay. Now for simplifying the given expression there is a one rule. That rule we will see directly through the given problem. Okay. So which is that rule that you will understand at the end of the numerical. Okay. So simplifying an expression. So we will start to solve that, or we will start to see that topic, that is simplifying an expression. For that, first I will take one expression, or I will show you that what do you mean or what do you understand by the expression. Now on the board I am going to write one problem. Okay. So all of you look here. 72 divided by 6. Okay. Now first I will write the whole problem, then I will tell you what do you mean by operation and what do you mean by expression. Now that is 72 divided by 6 plus 2 into 2. Okay. Now that is the given problem to us. Suppose let us consider that is the problem number 1. What is the problem number 1? 72 divided by 6 plus 2 multiplied by 2. That is the whole problem. Now, if in the given problem, if there is only one operation is there, 72 divided by 6, then that is called as addition, division problems. If in the given numerical, suppose only addition is there, 6 plus 2, that is called as addition problem. And if in the numerical, if there is only given 2 multiplied by 2, then that problem is called as multiplication problem. But into the given problems, how many operations are there? Division also, addition also, and multiplication also. That means more than operations are there. That's why that problem is called as expression. So that whole problem is called as expression. Okay, I want to understand what do we mean by expression. That means if there are more than one operation is there into the given problem, that is called like expression. Now we have to simplify that expression. Okay, we have to simplify that expression, and for simplifying such expression we have one rule. So which is that rule we are going to see. Now see, suppose I have to solve the expression. What I will do, from where I will start? I will start from division or addition or multiplication problem. So some student will do that multiplication first, some will do that addition first, or some will do that division first. So if each student doing the different operations at the first stage, then the answer will be different of each of them. But we don't want the different answer, because if that is the expression, only one answer should be there for that expression, and all students should get the same answer. So if we follow the rule for simplifying the expression, then and then we will get the same answer of each student. So in getting that same answer, we have to follow one rule. That rule is called as Bordmas rule. Okay, I think some of you have heard the word that is Bordmas rule. Whenever there is an expression into the problem, you have to always follow that rule for solving the expression. Which is the rule? Bordmas rule. BODMAS rule. Bordmas rule is there. Whenever there is an expression for solving, whenever you want to solve the expression, any expression you have to solve, or you have to follow the Bordmas rule for solving the given expression. Now we will see what do you understand by the Bordmas rule. Now that Bordmas, BODMAS, that having 6 words. How many words? BODMAS, 6 words are there. That each word contains a different meaning. So we will first see the meaning of each word. So B means bracket. Okay, bracket. Okay, bracket means all of you know what do we mean by bracket. Suppose in the expression like that, there is given bracket for any operation. Suppose for the division, if there is a bracket, then you have to solve that division first. If for the addition there is a bracket, you have to solve first addition. If for the multiplication there is a bracket like that, you have to do the multiplication first. Okay, understand what do we mean by that? B means bracket, and bracket is given by like that. So if in the expression, if there is a bracket, you have to solve the first operations from the bracket. Okay, understand? So I think all of you understand the meaning of B. Now we will see the next word, that is O. O means off, bracket off. Okay, bracket off. You have to take the meaning of O means off. It is nothing but, it is not the operations, it is only for the meaning. So BO means bracket off. Now D means division. Okay, D means division. That means if in the given expression you want to solve the expression, if there is first one is B means bracket. So if there is a bracket into the given expression, you have to solve it first. Then bracket of D means division. So after the bracket, what you have to solve? Division. Okay, so here is a division. So here is no bracket, that means no matter for the bracket. But after the bracket, what I have to solve? Division. So here is a division. So first I will solve the division. Then M. Obviously M means multiplication. Okay, M means multiplication. That means after the division, what I have to solve? Multiplication. So from this expression, I will solve that division first, because there is no bracket. After the division, I will do the multiplications. After the multiplications, there will be the addition. So here is the addition. Here is the addition in between division and multiplication function. So I will do the addition. After the addition, at the last there will be the s. S means subtraction. So I think all of you understand the order for solving the given expression. So one rule is there for solving the any expression, that is we have BODMAS rule. So BODMAS means bracket or division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, like that. That means if you are going to solve the expression, what you have to solve first? First you have to see, is there any bracket into the given expression? That bracket may be for addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, no matter. But if there is a bracket, you have to solve the operations on the bracket first. Then you have to solve division after the bracket. So into this given expression, there is no bracket, that means no matter for the bracket. There is a division, so first I will solve the division. After the division, I am going to solve multiplication. So there is a multiplication, so I will solve the multiplication. After multiplication, I will do the addition, and after addition, at the last I will do the subtraction, if there is a subtraction. And if into the given expression, out of that bracket, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, if there is any operation is not present into the given expression, then leave it, simple. So according to that BODMAS rule, first we will solve the first expression. So our expression is 72 divided by 6, that means division is there. Then 6 plus 2. In between there is addition. So addition is also there and multiplication is also. So how many operations are there? 3 operations. Out of that 5 operations, how many operations? 3 operations are there. So I have to solve that expression. So I will apply the BODMAS rule for the expression. According to the BODMAS, B means bracket. Is there a bracket? No. That means I will leave that bracket. Then bracket of division. Is there division? Yes. So where is the division? 72 divided by 6. So what will be the answer of 72 divided by 6? That is 12. Okay. 6 ones are 6 and 2. 6 2s are 12. So answer is 12. Now I have solved that division. That means remaining expression I will carry out as it is. So 72 divided by 6, that I have solved here. So 72 divided by 6, I have written the answer, and next expression I am going to write as it is. So next expression is plus sign and then 2 into 2. Now bracket is not there, then division I have solved. After the division, what I have to take? Multiplication. So where is the multiplication? There is a multiplication 2 into 2. So before the multiplications, I will write the expression as it is. So before the multiplication, there is 12 plus. Now multiplication is in between 2 and 2. So 2 2s are 4. Now multiplication is also. Now next one is addition. So there is addition is given. So I will do the addition. 12 plus 4 is 16. Now is there any operation is given? No. That means subtraction is not present again. So we will get out the subtraction. So finally you will get the answer for that expression is 16 according to the BODMAS rule. And if all of you follow the same rule, BODMAS rule, all of you will get the same answer, that is 16. Now I think all of you understand that simplifying an expression, which is the rule for simplifying the expression, and how to use that BODMAS rule for the expression from that example. Okay. Now for the practice, we will take one more example. Okay, we will take one more example for the practice, where I am going to use the same rule, that is BODMAS rule, for the next expression also. So next expression I will take as second one, 40 into 10 divided by 5 plus 70. Now that is the expression which is they have given to us. Okay. Now first into the given expression we will see how many operations are there. So here is the multiplication, here is the division, and here is the addition. So 3 operations are there. Out of 5, 3 operations are there. Now, if I want to solve that given operations, what I will do? I will apply the bod mass rule for the same expression. So, according to the bod mass, is there bracket is present? There is a bracket is present in the given expression? No. That means I will cut out that bracket. Now, after the bracket, what I will do? Division. So, after the bracket, I will going to carry out division. Now, here is a division is present. Division is present in between 10 divided by 5. Now, before the division and after the division, there is an expression. So, I will continue as it because I have not solved it. So, I will continue as it. So, division in between 10 and 5. So, 10 divided by 5. Answer is 2. So, before the division, there is 40 multiplied. So, that I will carry out because I have not solved it. 40 multiplied. Now, the answer of that division, because I have solved first division, so 10 divided by 5 answer is 2. Instead of writing division, I have written the answer here. And after the division, there is remain plus 7. So, I will continue it as it. That means what I have solved is the division. Now, next, after the division, I have to take multiplication. So, the multiplication is there? Yes, multiplication is there. In between 40 multiplied by 2. So, I will take multiplication. 40 multiplied 2, answer is 80. And after the multiplication, there is plus 17 is there. So, I will continue it as it is because I have not solved the addition. So, multiplication is over. Next, addition. Addition is in between 18 and 70. So, answer is 97. Now, after the addition, there is no operation remaining. That means subtraction is not there. So, I will cut out the subtraction. And answer I will get as a 97. That means if all of you apply the same bod mass rule for the given expression, you will get the same answer, that is 97. Now from this example, I think all of you should get the proper idea about the simplification.